Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over in-house sign pages. So I'm currently in the in-house sign builder, and we have a template here called test proposal. This template was created from an existing document, an existing PDF document, and that PDF document had 2 pages. As you can see here, we have 2 PDF pages. So this document, this page is a PDF page because it originates from an actual PDF document. And you have PDF page 1 and PDF page 2 because that document had 2 pages. So you can clone a page by simply clicking on duplicate page, and this would clone that page. As you can see here, now I have 3 pages. You can delete a page by just simply clicking on delete page. It's pretty straightforward. If we jump into the the page manager, you can see the different pages. You can rename your pages to make sense. So here I just have, this auto generates from the uploaded document. It has the name of the document, and it just appended a few things. First document, first page, second page. This is pretty much just gibberish. You can practically rename this to whatever you want it to be. I can just call this proposal, a project proposal, page 1. You can reorganize your pages by simply dragging and dropping. And if we close this out, you can see that the second page is now the first page. I'm going to go ahead and rearrange that back. So imagine if you had a ton of pages and maybe they were out of order. You can rearrange them. You can also decide where you want to duplicate things or where you want to add a new page. Like I said before, there are 2 types of pages. There's a PDF page, and then there's something we call a document page, which is a blank page. So you can use existing PDF pages and obviously modify these pages, add elements on top of these pages, and you can also have a blank page that you generate by yourself from scratch. I'm just going to drag something on this page. So this is, going to give you the same experience of how you would build an app. So you have the ability to, using the document page, generate a brand new page from scratch, design every single element on that page. And if you're working with, a PDF page, you can do the same thing, right? You have the ability to drag and drop on top of a PDF page and modify this page to your specifications. You have the ability to design to pixel perfection. And one thing to note is that wherever you drop is where it actually drops. So you can drag and drop and modify this document. I'm just going to do something super cool. I'm just going to drag a div here. And let's say I wanted to let's just move this slightly to the left, all the way over here. Let's reduce this from, let's say, 100% to, let's say, 95. And let me change the background to white, or I guess white. So now I've edited my document. And you can think of this, you can take this to the nth degree. I can make this 60, 600, whatever the case may be. And of course, I can make this responsive. So when we are in mobile, it's maybe 100, right? You could basically modify documents, modify pages, and all the cool things that you would expect in a system like this. But to wrap up this video, there are 2 types of pages. PDF pages, which is based on an actual PDF document that is added to your template or your document. And then you have a document page that you have the full reign to create or generate your own PDF document. You can rename pages. You can drag and drop and rearrange. You can duplicate a page. You can delete pages. You can pick where you want to add a page, right? You can add to the bottom. You can add in the middle. You can add at the top, and everything is responsive. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.